guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the refresh I did on my entryway. I did a little update for the spring, cleaning and decorating inside the entryway and also on the outside. I cleaned doors and windows, and we did some trimming of the branches around the house. So we did a lot of spring cleaning outside, but I want to show you just a little bit, and I'm going to show you the door that I kind of washed down a little bit and cleaned. I didn't show you the entire work I did with it, with the hose pipe and all the other things I used, but I just wanted you to see how I cleaned the door trim, and we put up some new decoration outside for Easter. My little Easter basket and just some things I put outside, and I want to share that with you. But I did come in after finishing outside, and I did a refresh of my entryway, and I put up some new spring items here in the entryway so that it could just look real refreshed for the springtime. So I want you to just stay with me as we get started. Okay, here I am. On yesterday, we were outside cleaning uh, the outside area, cleaning windows, doors, cutting hedges, doing a lot of work. But I wanted to just give you just a short little glimpse of what I was doing yesterday, uh, especially at the front door where I will be putting some decoration. So this is what I'm doing now, just cleaning off the door area. And I just wanted to let you see that part. Not the entire work we did, but just the door. Okay, guys, this is day 2, and I'm going to be decorating my front entry way with some plants I got from Home Depot, and I got some items from Hobby Lobby to decorate the front entry with a little basket I got that looks like a little Easter basket with flowers and eggs in it, and a sign that says, "Our nest is blessed." And those are the things I'm going to be decorating with today for the entryway on the outside. And here is my little Easter basket with eggs and flowers in it. I thought it was really cute. It's kind of tiny for a door, but I'm going to only keep it up there through the Easter holidays. But I wanted you to see it, and it's quite windy outside today, guys. It's like really feeling really good. The temperature is, but it's so windy. I was a little worried that maybe some of my decoration might blow away, but it's doing pretty good right now. But here's the Easter basket that I have outside. It was so cute, and I got it at Hobby Lobby along with the sign. And then I got the two um, plants you see from Home Depot. And they didn't have the bigger, taller plants, but I love these plants. But they didn't have the bigger one, so I bought the small one with hopes that they may grow. Okay, and here we are inside my entryway, right by the front door. And I'm going to be changing up the decoration that I had on this little counter. And I'm changing it to some spring decoration, something a little bit more lively with some flowers and a little bit more of a lively look for the springtime. And here in this little vase, I put some lavender and white flowers in it to represent the springtime, just to give it a real lively spring look to this entryway. And those flowers I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And they are just little lavender and white flowers, which have livened up this room a whole lot. Okay, guys, here's my finished entryway. We did some work on the outside. We did some spring cleaning and some decorating on the outside. And we also did some decoration here in the entryway on the inside of the house. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I hope that you would give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and give me some comments. I love to hear from you because when you give me comments and you subscribe to my channel, that gives me inspiration to just keep moving forward and bringing on new and innovative ideas for this channel and for you. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. May God bless you. May God keep you. And know that I'm not finished yet. I got other rooms that I'm going to be doing some spring cleaning in, and I want you to be there with me.